student looking for a university that offers great career opportunities? Look no further than Central Michigan University. In this video, we'll explore why Central Michigan University is the perfect place for students who want to achieve career success. We'll also introduce you to Study Metro, an educational consultancy that can help you with your application process. As a student, it can be tough to choose the right university. You want to find a place that offers quality education and provides the resources you need to succeed in your future career. Central Michigan University is the answer to all of these concerns. With a wide range of degree programs and an extensive network of alumni, CMU is a top choice for students looking to achieve their career goals. Located in Mount Pleasant, Michigan, Central Michigan University has a long history of academic excellence. Founded in 1892, the university has grown to become one of the largest universities in Michigan, with over 23,000 students enrolled. CMU offers over 300 academic programs, from undergraduate degrees to doctoral programs, across its 7 colleges. One of the greatest benefits of studying at Central Michigan University is the access to career opportunities. CMU is known for its extensive alumni network, with over 280,000 graduates who are successful in their respective fields. This network offers a great advantage for current students, as they have access to a wide range of career resources and job opportunities. Additionally, CMU offers a variety of career services to its students, including career counseling, job fairs, and internships. Let's take a look at the story of Radha, a student who chose Central Michigan University for her studies. Radha was interested in pursuing a career in the healthcare industry and knew that CMU had an excellent program for her. She was excited to learn that the university had partnerships with several healthcare organizations in the area, which would give her the opportunity to gain hands-on experience while still in school. Radha worked closely with Study Metro, an educational consultancy that specializes in helping students navigate the application process for universities in the USA. With Study Metro's assistance, Radha was able to apply to CMU and was accepted into the program of her choice. During her time at CMU, Radha took advantage of the career resources available to her and was able to secure a semester-long internship at a local hospital. After graduating, she was offered a full-time position at the hospital, thanks to the connections she had made through the CMU alumni network. Central Michigan University offers a wide range of academic programs and career opportunities for students. With its extensive alumni network and career services, CMU is the perfect choice for students who want to achieve their career goals. And if you are a student who needs help with the application process, Study Metro is here to assist you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you at Central Michigan University soon. Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.